Hello everyone, welcome to my channel DigiLearners. I hope all of you are fine. So as you can see, I've already revealed my today's topic after, before, between. So I'm going to share a small concept with my kindergartners or preschoolers who are learning or trying to learn the concept behind after, before number and finding it very difficult. So chill out, children. It's not that difficult, it's quite easy. You will be hopefully you will be able to learn how to write after, before and between numbers very quickly and easily after watching the whole video. So have little patience and watch the video till the end. I promise at the end of the video the concept behind or difference between these three are going to get clear and you can do it very easily. Okay, hope for the best. Let's begin. So here I have written 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, till 10 I have written the numbers. So first we will start with topic after numbers we will do. Okay, now here I have written 1. After 1 what comes? Now we will follow the method what we have written below 1. What comes below 1? Below 1 comes 2. Okay, we will keep in mind after number means the number which is coming below. Okay, we will write that as after number. So what comes below 1 comes 2. That means what comes after 1? After 1 comes 2. So we are going to write here 2. Okay, in the same way you can see 3 is written. So what comes after 3? Now you can see 3. What comes below 3 means that you will write as after number. What comes below 3? Comes 4. So you can see what comes below 3 comes 4. So what we are going to write after 3? After 3 comes 4. So what will be the answer? 4. Yes, very good. Now 5. Now what comes after 5? I know you have already understood. In the same way you can see what is written below 5 is 6. So what we are going to write here? 6. Okay, now here 6 is written. So now what we will write after 6? What comes after 6? After 6 comes 7. You can see that 7 is the answer, so we'll write here 7. Now you can see here 8. Next question is 8. Now what comes after 8? You will see what is coming below, what you are writing below 8, you are writing 9. So what will be the answer here? 9. Okay, now coming to the concept of before numbers. Now we will do before numbers. Okay, you can see I have put this color aside, that means after numbers we have completed. Now we are coming to before number. Now this is little different from after. You will understand how. You see the dash is given before the number. That means you have to write the answer here. So which number is given? It's 2. So you can see 2 over here. Now what comes? What you are writing upon 2 means which number you are writing before 2. You have to see that. You will go upwards. You will see upwards. What you are writing before 2? You are writing 1. So what answer you will write here? 1. Okay. Now here is 4. You can see 4 is written here. Number 4 is here. So what you will write before 4? See which number you will write. That means before 4, upon 4 what you are writing? You are writing 3. So what will be the answer here? 3. Now 7. 7 you can see. 7 is here. Now upwards you will go. From here you will go upwards. What you are writing? Before 7 you are writing 6. So what will be the answer here? 6. Okay. Now comes 8. Now number 8. Now what you are writing above 8? You will see that. You are writing above 8. What you are writing? You are writing 7. So what you will write here the answer? 7. So you can see 9. What is written above 9? You will write that. Above 9 comes 8. You can see that easily. So you will write the answer 8 here. I hope the concept of after and before is clear. Both are means here in after number you are going to write the number below which comes here, whichever number is given here, the number which comes below you are going to write down here, and before the number which you are writing above you will write the answer here. Now these two concepts are already clear. Between is very easy because between and after you can say they are very similar to each other. Now coming to the concept of between numbers. If you have known after number you can write between easily. Now you can see whatever number comes you are writing below, whatever number you are writing after will come under between. Okay. For example, you see 1-3 is written here. Means 1 and 3. Now what is coming between 1 and 3? The answer is 2. What is coming between 1 and 3? The answer is 2. In the same way you see what comes after 1 comes 2. So similar 3 and 5. Now coming to 3 and 5. Now what is coming between 3 and 5? You see 4. So what is coming between 3 and 5? 4. You will write that. Now 4 and 6. 4-6. Now 4-6. What is coming between 4 and 6? Is 5. So the answer will be 5. 6 and 8. Now 6 and 8. Okay, these two numbers. Now what is coming between these two? You see 7. 7 is coming between these two. So you will write here 7. Now 8-10. 8-10. Now what comes between 8 and 10? Between 8 and 10 comes 9. You can there is also another concept of after number. Whatever concept you are having of after number you can use for between also. Means what comes after 1? 2. What comes after 3? Comes 4. What comes after 4? Comes 5. What comes after 6? Comes 7. And what comes after 8? Comes 9. So I hope all of you liked the video. If you liked, then please share it with your friends and relatives, and please let the video reach those who really need them. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and it's a very big support if you share my channel with others, with your friends and relatives. And my best wishes to you all. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you. See you again in the next video. Love you all. Bye bye.